I'd kind of hit a really tough time, and it was my sister who wanted to get me some help, and then we found recovery near you, and I was ready. I needed it. Within 2 weeks I'd got a key worker. She was just very non-judgmental at all. It was like talking to a friend. Went through what I was drinking, can I stop, do we wean it down, and then it was weekly appointments from then on. But she'd check in with me every couple of days. I get a message off her, are you okay? They talked about meds like anti-cravings and stuff, and she put me on an alcohol awareness course. It didn't just look at you're an alcoholic and maybe what's causing trauma or whatever. It was how your brain works, how your body works. I never knew any of it. I wasn't scared, I was excited, because it was that help that I needed. I walked through those doors downstairs and it's like peace. And everyone's so welcoming and so good. It felt like you're home. It was so surreal. And from then on, I fell in love with this place, and I just wanted more, constantly. What's on? Women's empowerment, there was a relapse course, then Rise. You almost don't realise that you're learning and that you're actually going through a structured programme, because it's so relaxing, because you're laughing, you're talking. It was family, it was closeness, it was fun, and we could breathe.
What's one word you would use to describe or define?
Phenomenal. Best thing ever. Be surrounded by people who want you to do well, and they'll give you everything they've got to help you do that. That's phenomenal, that is. Yeah.